watching dive dancing from the back, and I have to say, you guys are really good.
네, 밴쿠버에서 정말 좋은 추억을 만든 기분인데 이제 소감을 말해보러 들어오는 거겠습니다.
Thanks to you guys, we feel like we made such special memories here in Vancouver. We're gonna head back and share final thoughts on tonight's show.
Oh, Ray's already there.
I'm ready.
And we're wearing matching hoodies.